Hello people, if you want to add a messenger chat option in your website like this one, I made a video for this. This is a live chat option without messenger, so I am going to add a messenger chat option here. And for doing this, I have to just go to my page and go to the inbox. Okay, here you can see two peoples have contacted with me. So if I want to add the live chat option in my WordPress website, I just have to go to the more and go to the chat plugin. Okay, so I have already set a WordPress website domain in my page. In the website corner, I just had to add a website and I added the website. If you didn't do added a website on your Facebook page, you can do it from here. And let's cancel it, and I have the site edited. Now I just have to scroll down. Here you can choose the frequency FAQ questions for your visitors. So now you have to just simply set up, and you can choose if your site is on WordPress and they are asking me to add a plugin, but I will not do it with a plugin. So let's go to standard, and this the language of the plugin chat will be English, so save and continue. And this is the domain already added, and this is the code I have. I just have to copy it, and next I have to just paste the code. Having trouble editing the code to your website, take a look at this step by. Okay, there paste the code snippet directly after opening body tag on each web page where you want the chat plugin to appear. So I want this chat plugin to appear on my home page. This is the home page. Let's edit with Elementor. Okay, if you want to add the code in your page, you can add it by Elementor custom HTML, or if you want to add the code in the footer area right here, you can also do that. So let's click customize. I will customize the footer area, and from here you can add a section and call the section. In that section you can add a HTML tag. Let's bring it down here and paste the code. I just apply it. So as you can see here, we have the messenger chat option here appeared. Let's update it. Okay, as you can see, this is the name of my page, and I can message from here to my page or message as a guest to my page. So this is the live chat option, and if you wanna keep both, you can keep both, but if you wanna keep one of them, you can also do that. So let's take a look if the okay, so as you can see, this is the messenger plugin, and you can also set the direction of this, so I can move it here to here. So let's do this. Customize your chat plugin, and this is the button you can choose here. I will say alignment left and publish. By doing this, if I refresh here, the chat will be appeared here. As you can see, this is looking okay now. So thank you for watching this video. I don't have to add this on footer. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this and it was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.